Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by choosing the exact layer or frame you want softened. Select it now so changes won't affect other elements. Make sure the object has a fill or is a rasterized image, because that determines how blur will render. Once selected, glance at the Layers and Properties panels to confirm dimensions and scale, because blur intensity is perceptual and depends on pixel size. Now move to the Effects section in the right-hand panel to add your first background blur. You'll add a background blur effect from the Effects menu and immediately see it sample whatever sits behind your selected shape. That's why you choose Background versus Layer Blur. Adjust the radius to control softness. Start around 10 to 20 and increase until the background reads as intentionally out of focus rather than smeared. Then tweak saturation and brightness if needed. Lowering saturation can reduce color spill. Make sure to test with different blend modes and opacity. Finish by grouping or masking the blurred shape so it behaves predictably as you move elements. Masks control what areas sample the background. When you think you're done, export or preview at target scale, mobile or retina, to verify perceived sharpness. If results look unexpected, make sure your blurred layer isn't clipped by another mask, confirm correct stacking order, and toggle GPU preview or restart Figma when artifacts appear. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable other effects temporarily to isolate the blur behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.